We've got a 10-minute ab workout that's gonna work your entire core. It's gonna burn, but you're gonna feel so good by the end of this video. Let's get into it. We've got 12 exercises in this abs workout, 40 seconds each with 10 seconds of rest in between. Get on your mat and let's get started with single leg visit to visit. While laying flat on your mat, lift one leg as you come up, going in between your hands. Go back down and repeat on the other leg. Then we'll repeat with both legs up in the V-sit. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted.
I'm feeling like bam, throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am? Stick with me, I got a plan. I got a plan. Stick with me, I got a plan. Like, do you know who I am? Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like damn. Stick with me, I got a plan. Like damn. Throwing bands and it's making them.
Great work, everyone. Short 10 seconds rest now. Lying leg abduction and flutters is next. Lie on your back and lift your legs up, then move them apart and then back in together. Then onto flutters where we drop one at a time. Nice and easy, keep your core tight.
Doing bands and it's making them tap. Try to get my van, lapped up, try to get my get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the ends, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am? Stick with me, I got a plan. Tap, try to get my van. Lapped up, try to get my get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the ends, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am?
Rest and recover. Slow roll back is next.
Throwing bands and it's making them like damn. Stick with me, I got a
Sit upright with your hands forward like so. Roll back slowly until your back reaches the mat. Then come back up and repeat. Control your movements with your core. This is hard when you try to roll back slowly, so try your best.
stick with me, I got a plan. Throwing bands and it's making them. Stick with me, I got a plan. Like damn. Throwing bands and it's making them.
Short rest, leg drop, and toe touch is coming up.
There's a whole world for the girls you could be looking at, homie. It's true, between me and you, it's only $5 and watch what they do. Let's get high, lose track of time.
Lay flat on your back, lower both legs towards the mat, then lift it back up while reaching your hands towards your toes, and repeat the sequence. Make sure your back is flat on the mat.
Pretend, the boyfriend, the deep end, she needs men, she needs you and your twos. Get out of my head, get out of my mind. I need to focus, I'm wasting my time. You make me feel hopeless, I'm wasting my prime. I'm going to war with my mind. I'm in control, my body and soul. Never again will you ever take hold. I've got a purpose outside of this hole, and I'll turn this feeling into something more. I could change, rearrange my brain. Thoughts and energy push through pain. Loneliness is a passing phase. A better life, it starts today. Once hopeless and broken, I'm in motion. Just gotta stay focused. Keep moving, keep growing. Never look back, got a new path chosen.
Catch your breath and plank and reach is next. Get into a plank position, reach one arm forward then the other, keeping your core stable. Maintain good form throughout. Rest and recover, side plank reach is next.
Watch a little, you know what a show. Drink a little bit of this, little that to cope. Yeah, wait, we used to have fun, right? Sleep in short days, but the long nights.
Get into a side plank, bring your arms overhead for a little stretch. Nice and controlled, we're almost halfway through the set.
Just recline, me time, hit over the wheel, you'll be just fine. Yeah, you know I'm always here for you. Life gets hard, there's a lot of fear for you. You know I can make it all disappear for you. Only one time, you'll be fine, man, I'll cheer for you. No, I don't wanna get back to a place that I really don't like, so I really gotta go. All the thoughts in the back of my mind, they be bigger at night when the dark takes hold. Gotta make my way to the light, feeling better inside every time I say no. I've chosen different path, but we rapidly out of control. I'm back, baby, better than ever, no drag. Taking back everything I lacked lately. Feel like me, I'm back, crazy. I took all that pain, put that energy to change. I will never be the same.
Great work, everyone. Now we repeat on the other side. Same movements as before. Keep your hips lifted and core engaged. Short recovery now, hollow hold and reverse crunch is next. Lay flat on your back, then lift your shoulders and legs like so and hold for 3 seconds. Then pull your knees towards your chest and we're doing a reverse crunch, lifting it upwards. And we'll repeat the sequence.
I'll be back in a minute, I'm kidding, I'm in it to win it. These casuals, they ain't gon' get it, cause I'm on a mission. Just listen to these bars that I'm spitting. I'll light a cigar when I'm sipping. It's job when I'm winning, a star how I'm living. A car that is tinted, so far from my limits. You think it's a fiction, but now I'm addicted. You won't catch me slipping, this life I be living.
Great work, only a few exercises left. Keep pushing through, guys, you got this.
She come with loyalty, that shit is rare, but she never want more than me. Making that money is funny, we stacking them honeys, just doing it.
Lift your legs up slightly, open them apart, then bring your knees towards your opposite elbow, and we'll repeat the sequence. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat.
I'm kidding, I'm in it to win it. These casuals, they ain't gon' get it, cause I'm on a mission. Just listen to these bars that I'm spitting. I'll light a cigar when I'm sipping. It's job when I'm winning, a star how I'm living. A car that is tinted, so far from my limits. You think it's a fiction, but now I'm addicted. You won't catch me slipping, this life I be living. If I do it, she finish. She want it, she get it. She like when I hit it, she never forget it. We living like royalty, she come with loyalty. That shit is rare, but she never want more than me. Making that money is funny, we stacking them honeys. Just doing the things that we wanted, cause passion is purpose. I know that it's worth it. I do what I love and the cash is converting. I hate all the haters, but they do me.
Rest and recover, boat pose sweep is next.
My neighbor, the bass is so loud that their house is in danger. My eyes on the prize and my passion don't lie. If I want it, I get it, my vibration high. Yeah, I live till I...
Sit tall in a boat pose. Sweep your arms from one side to the other while keeping your core engaged. Heels on the mat throughout. You can try lifting your heels off the mat if you want it to be more challenging.
Keep stacking my winnings again and again like I'm making commission. This life's an addiction, addicted to winning. Each day got me grinning, yeah, straight from beginning. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I see. I picture my life and how it's gonna be.
We're almost done, guys. 2 more to go. Sitter inner heel tap is next.
Yeah, I live what I'm dreaming, I think it, believe it, I get it.
Sit tall, lift your legs up slightly and tap your heels with your hands in front of you. Keep your chest upright and your core tight and keep your back as straight as you can.
Cause my greatest weapon is always direction. I give it attention, then I'm gonna get it. It's not how they see it, that's only perception. Glass half empty, yeah, that brain need correction. I see the world and my life is a blessing. This all is perfection, I see the connection. I'm right where I'm supposed to be, living so openly. Grateful for everything, feel it emotionally. It's in my soul, I can feel it so potently. Ready for more that the universe throws at me. It's all a reflection, so what you projecting. You get what you give, so you better address it. I just wanna live, be my best, keep progressing. The less I compare me, the more I'm ascending. It's all what you notice, where you put your focus. One thought at a time, gotta keep it in motion. It's all by design, gotta trust.
Final rest now and we'll finish off the workout. Let's do this, guys.
Cause to really be free is to let go, believe. And passion is purpose, what's under your surface. Cause I got a furnace that's burning and burning.
Bring one knee towards you and press your hands into it. You have to actively push your hands into your knee. It is a lot more challenging than it looks. Hold this position and we'll swap over to the other side soon.
Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be.
Now swap over to the other leg and make sure you're engaging your core.
I picture my life and how it's gonna be. Yeah, I get what I want, I get what I need. I know that I'm right where I'm destined to be.
And that's the workout, guys. Great job on reaching the end. Make sure you follow the rest of the schedule on my free app. Enjoy your next workout and I'll see you there. Bye!